Welcome to a life-changing adventure where words have the ability to change your reality. Today, we go deeply into the most potent affirmations that are designed to trigger transformative outcomes. Get your head and soul ready as we examine these powerful words. Recite them, have faith in them, and observe the magic they bring about in your life. Prepare to take charge of your own destiny. Let's begin this life-changing journey together. Every step I take is leading me to a more successful future. I trust in my ability to unlock the pathway to my dreams. With every breath, I release my fears and welcome new possibilities. I am a creator of peace in my heart and in my world. My mind is clear, focused, and sharp. I am ready to tackle any challenges that come my way. Strength and grace guide my decisions, ensuring I live my best life. I am deserving of success, happiness, and fulfillment, and I claim them now. Abundance flows to me effortlessly, enriching every part of my existence. I am a beacon of love and compassion, drawing similar energies towards me. Each day, I am more attuned to my inner wisdom, leading me to make the right choices. My potential to succeed is limitless, and I tap into it with ease every day. I am a magnet for miracles, and I notice the wonders of life everywhere I go. Confidence is my second nature, and I approach every situation with poise and assurance. I am the architect of my fate and the master of my destiny. Every challenge I face is an opportunity to grow and excel. I am surrounded by love, and everything I do is supported by those who believe in me. My heart is open to receiving the abundance of the universe. With every sunrise, I am reborn, ready to pursue my goals with renewed vigor. I let go of past hurts and embrace the future with optimism and hope. My journey is unique and wonderfully designed just for my growth. I radiate positivity and attract positive circumstances in return. My life is a reflection of the love and peace I cultivate within. I am constantly evolving, becoming more aware and connected to my true essence. I choose to see challenges as stepping stones to greater successes. My words are powerful, and I use them to shape a beautiful reality for myself. Gratitude fills my soul, and I am thankful for every blessing, big or small. Every moment is infused with the potential for happiness and joy. I am resilient, and no obstacle is too large for me to overcome. My life is filled with endless opportunities for success and achievement. I am committed to personal growth and will never stop learning and evolving. Love flows from within me to all I meet, creating harmonious relationships. My actions are intentional and they bring me closer to my higher self. I am a vessel of peace and tranquility, undisturbed by life's transient storms. With clarity and determination, I pursue what brings me true happiness and fulfillment. My spirit is gentle yet unbreakable, and it guides me through life's complexities. I am connected to an unlimited source of creativity and inspiration. Every day, I grow more confident in my abilities and my path. I am worthy of all the good life has to offer, and I accept it now with open arms. My life is a beautiful canvas, and I choose to paint it with vibrant colors and strokes of genius. I am in harmony with the universe, and everything in my life aligns with my greatest good. I embrace the challenges of life as they refine and define my path to greatness. I embrace each new day with a renewed spirit and a joyful heart. My mind is a fertile ground for innovative ideas and solutions. Every action I take is infused with purpose and passion. I am a fortress of tranquility in the face of adversity. Success is drawn to me because I am prepared to reach out and achieve it. I radiate confidence and calm, influencing those around me positively. My journey toward great achievements is paved with persistence and dedication. Abundant well-being fills every cell of my body, keeping me vibrant and healthy. I am a positive force, and my presence uplifts those around me. Every lesson I learn carves the path to a wiser, stronger self. I trust the process of life and know that I am moving in the right direction. My heart is an endless ocean of love and compassion. I am deserving of all the richness that life offers, and I allow myself to receive it. Every morning, I awaken brimming with motivation and clarity. I face every situation with courage and grace, knowing that I am capable of handling anything. Happiness flows through me, touching every aspect of my life. My spirit is unbreakable and shines brightly even through challenges. I am a master of my emotions. They guide but do not rule me. Prosperity is naturally attracted to me because I put forth effort and intention. I give myself permission to dream big and relentlessly pursue those dreams. I am deeply connected to the earth, drawing peace and stability from its energies. My actions today are planting the seeds for a prosperous tomorrow. I allow every breath to cleanse my spirit and rejuvenate my body. My intuition guides me in making wise decisions that align with my soul's purpose. I am open to new ventures. They lead me to unexpected and amazing paths. Peace resides within me. I access it anytime I need. My relationships are anchored in mutual respect and genuine affection. I am an infinite being, capable of manifesting my highest visions. Every encounter is an opportunity to learn and expand my horizons. I embrace change as it comes, knowing it leads to personal evolution. My life is a series of synchronicities, showing me that I'm exactly where I need to be. I trust in my talents and skills to open doors and create opportunities. Joy is a constant in my life, coloring all my days with happiness. I am grateful for the abundance that flows into my life in various forms. My spirit soars freely, exploring new heights of experiences and insights. Each day, I contribute to my legacy of success and positivity. I am aligned with the frequency of prosperity and success. Challenges are merely invitations for growth, and I accept them with open arms. I am a creator of my circumstances, and I craft them with intention and wisdom. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. Each decision I make is a reflection of my highest truth and commitment to my growth. I am a lighthouse of hope and resilience, shining brightly in all circumstances. My life is a symphony of blessings, each note perfectly placed for harmony and joy. I possess an endless reservoir of creativity that I tap into daily. My mind is an oasis of calm, helping me to think clearly and act wisely under any conditions. I am deeply attuned to my purpose, moving steadily towards my life's goals. Every obstacle is seamlessly transformed into an opportunity to demonstrate my strength. I am a conduit of universal love, spreading warmth and understanding wherever I go. Each morning, I wake up with a heart full of gratitude and a day full of promise. I consistently attract situations that serve my highest good and offer new paths to success. My life is punctuated with moments of sheer joy, reminding me of the beauty of existence. I am a pillar of strength for myself and for those around me. Each breath I take infuses my body with health and heals me on all levels. I courageously step out of my comfort zone to embrace the new and the transformative. I am the author of my story and craft each chapter with intention and grace. These affirmations are designed to help you harness the power of positive thinking, leading to profound transformations in your personal and professional life. By repeating these affirmations daily, you set the stage for positive changes and attract the very best into your life. If you found value in this journey of empowerment, please like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Together, let's continue to grow and manifest a life filled with joy and abundance.